Guys, welcome back to Cardboard Showcase. This is Mike. So in today's video, we're going to announce the winner of the giveaway, the 2018 Topps Chrome Juan Soto rookie. So first thing we're going to do is randomize this list. So we got a 7. So let's go ahead and randomize this list 7 times and see who our winner is going to be. So once I get the winner of this list, I'll go ahead and reach out to that person and get their mailing address and send that card out to them. So the winner looks like it's going to be Obi-Wan Shinobi Cards. Congratulations. I'll go ahead and reach out to you and get that card out to you right away. And now we'll get into the box break. Hey guys, let's go ahead and get into this box break. So this is Hobby Box, brand new 2019 Topps update. So we will get one autograph or relic card in this box. And I believe this year they put the silver packs inside the box as opposed to outside the box. So there should be one silver pack in here as well. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see how we do. So a lot of course, you know, in Topps Update, a lot of great rookies. Here's our silver pack. Let's go ahead and crack that open first, see what we get. Nola, Snell, Mitch Keller rookie. Ooh, that's a nice one right there. Fernando Tatis rookie. I was about to say, Fernando Tatis does not have a base rookie in Update. He does have his rookie debut in this Update series. So that's a good card to look out for. But he does not have a base card. Same thing with Pete Alonso. No base rookie. He does have his rookie debut. He has his All-Star and I believe his Home Run Derby are all in this set. But yeah, no base rookie for Tatis, or well, there's a 150th anniversary foil stamp there, AJ Pollock. Yeah, so no base for Tatis or Alonso. There's a nice Carter Kieboom rookie. So the big rookies you're going to be looking for, and there's a nice Home Run Derby of Acuna with a nice rookie cup. So the big rookies are, of course, Vlad Guerrero. We've also got Keston Hiura, Carter Kieboom, a couple other, you know, really good rookies. Same thing with Eloy. All their rookies were in Topps Series 2, so they don't have base rookie cards in this product. But there are a lot of great, still a lot of great rookies, a lot of great inserts. There's another 150th foil anniversary, Billy Hamilton. And there are quite a few short prints and super short prints. This guy, I think, is going to be pretty good. Luis Arraez, I believe I say it. So it's a decent card. Definitely a look and see what happens. I'll go back through these things at the end and check the code on the back to see if there's any short prints that I missed, or if you guys notice I missed any short prints, please leave a comment below and I'll go back and look. But on these, so the code back there, the one that ends in 010 is your base, the one that ends in 55 is your short print, and the one that ends in 57 are your super short prints. So those are always ones to look out for. There's a nice Cole Tucker rookie. I know he does have a short print and a super short print to be on the hunt for. So those cards are out there to look for. Here's another 150th. It's a nice Gleyber Torres All-Star rookie. Nice rookie cup on that one. Yankees just got eliminated. Here's the John Means rookie. Just got eliminated by the Astros the other night, so we're going to have the World Series with the Nationals and the Astros, so I think that's going to be a great series. Nice Will Smith rookie for the Dodgers. Another 150. Okay. It's nothing big yet. No Vlad Guerreros. Do have that nice Silver pack rookie, Fernando Tatis. So that was a good one. Nice Brendan Rodgers, base rookie. Chris Paddock also has his rookie card in here too, and he's got some nice short prints to be on the lookout for. Well, there's a nice one right there. So greatest players, Vlad Guerrero. So that is the greatest players insert. So that is a rookie card, Vlad Guerrero Jr. Nice. And here is the Acuna All-Star card. Good looking card. Big old OxyClean in the back. Bregman. Okay. So any of those Vladdies, there's a Tatis on the back. So it looks like we'll get his either All-Star or a rookie debut card there. Gregory Soto. LeMahieu. Ooh, there's a very nice one. So here is the Nick Senzel rookie debut, and this is the Independence Day variation. So that is numbered out of 76. So that is a nice numbered card right there. One of the better rookies in this this product, and the Independence Day variation. So very nice. And there is the Tatis rookie debut. So good looking card there. It's not a bad pack there. Very nice. Okay, we've also got oh, there's Jeff McNeil, another nice rookie. It says All-Star rookie. I believe his rookie was in Series 1, if I'm not mistaken. There's a nice Bryce Harper, 84. There's our first Vlad Guerrero. So this is his Home Run Derby card. The little Home Run Derby trophy there in the corner. Still got the nice rookie shield. So one of the many Vlad Guerrero cards. And there's a Brendan Rodgers rookie debut. And then here's the base. Nick Senzel rookie. Awesome. That was a good pack. Yeah, Vlad has quite a few cards in this, especially when you look at all the short prints and the super short prints. Another great rookie, Austin Riley. That is his rookie debut. Paul Goldschmidt. There's our first gold card. So that is the Steel City Bashers. That is numbered out of 2017. So that's our first gold out of this box. There's Josh Bell's All-Star card. Had himself a pretty decent season. A lot of home runs. Led the majors for a little bit, but ended up having one of his best power seasons. There is the Keston base rookie. That is just the base, 010 code. So good looking card. He also has quite a few variations as well. He's also got his short print and his super short print. That's a nice one. Rainbow foil. Gleyber Torres All-Star card with a nice rookie cut. Okay. And there's Keston's rookie debut. LeMahieu All-Star. Also have these rookie combos in here as well. So that's the Rangers rookie combo. Another 150. This one looks like it's, yeah, that's not, so that is just Willie Stargell, greatest moments. And here is Vlad Guerrero's rookie debut card. So we got another Vlad Guerrero. Mike Ford. Here's the base Senzel rookie. We already pulled that Independence Day variation of that card, but that is the base. Justice Sheffield rookie. Pitcher. Mariners. Next gold. Jeurys Familia. I think I'm saying that right. For 69 out of 2019. Springer All-Star. Michael Chavis, rookie, Red Sox. Lane Thomas, rookie card for the Cardinals, 84 variation. All right, we're about halfway through this box. Mitch Keller, rookie. It's a nice picture there. Hunter Pence getting doused with Gatorade. I don't believe that is a short print. Yeah, that's just his base card. Great looking card there. Another 84, Victor Robles. Very nice. Carter Kieboom, rookie debut. Juan Soto there in the background. And there's the rookie debut of Michael Chavis. So we got his base and his rookie debut. Nice young player for the Red Sox. And here is the Chris Paddack rookie. Very nice. Oh, followed by the Vlad Guerrero rookie. So that is the base, Vlad Guerrero. So very nice. That is just the standard print, the base. So very nice. There's that steel set of Bashers that we already got the gold out of. Iconic card reprint. So that's the Ozzie Smith rookie. I believe that's 79 if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 1979. Cavan Biggio, nice rookie there. He's also got some variations. This is just the base, ending in number 10. But there's the Biggio rookie. Oh, I was going to say, we also have the Yastrzemski rookie as well. So there's the Mike Yastrzemski. Another rookie combos. And another gold. This is Noah Syndergaard, home run and shutout. So, nice gold there. Michael Brantley. I might have missed a short print or so here or there. Like I said, I'll go back through after the video and check the codes on the back. I don't have all of the different variations committed to memory at this point, so I might have missed them. But there's the Eloy rookie debut, followed by the Biggio rookie debut. So, yeah, a lot of great cards in this set. This is, what is this? This is another insert. Established 1969. Tom Browning. Interesting. Cody Bellinger All-Star. There's our Pete Alonso. So this is the All-Star rookie. There's also one, I believe, for the Home Run Derby and a rookie debut. So this is the All-Star Pete Alonso rookie card. Like I said, he does not have a base rookie card in this set, as that was in Series 2. So we got that already earlier this year. But in this one, we do get his rookie debut and a couple others. There's the Kikuchi rookie debut. Same thing. His base rookie was in Series 2. Here's another, not technically a Guerrero rookie card, but it is soaring in the 6. And there is Vlad Guerrero there. Another rainbow foil. There's the John Means All-Star rookie rainbow foil. Very nice. Xander Bogaerts, 84. Got a Mike Trout there on the back. I think that's his All-Star card. Jacob deGrom. Here's the Jake Bauers rookie card. I believe he's got some short prints in this as well, but that's just the base. Another Greatest Seasons, Catfish Hunter. Arenado. And the Mike Trout All-Star card. Always nice to get a Mike Trout. Still looking for that hit as well. Either an All-Star or a relic, but like we always say, 99% probably going to be a relic. It'd be nice if we get a numbered relic. It's another one of those established in 1869, the Cincinnati Red Stockings. Interesting card. Here's the Chris Paddack rookie debut. Chris Paddack had a very, very nice rookie season for the Padres. This one's a little interesting. This Tauchman rookie. So he had a rookie in '89 Topps update. So I'm not sure if this rookie shield here is a mistake or what, because he does have a rookie card in 2018 Topps update. So it is odd to see another rookie card with the logo in 2019 Topps update. So I don't know. Maybe you guys know, was that a mistake, or is there some other reason why he's got a rookie card in both 2018 Topps update and 2019 Topps update? It's a nice 84, Mariano Rivera. Another Gleyber Torres All-Star. Another Means rookie. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I also believe on another break I was watching, saw an Ohtani card. I think it was his All-Star card. Had that rookie shield on it too. So I'm not sure if Topps just maybe had some errors, some of those rookie shields. Here's the rookie debut, Pete Alonso. Very nice. Yeah, so if you guys know, please leave a comment below. I'd love to know what's going on there. And so there's another nice one, Pacific Power with Trout and Ohtani. And then here is our hit for the box, All-Star relic of Freddie Freeman. So, It actually is a pretty good looking card as relics, you know, just these base relics go. But yeah, Freddie Freeman, great player. You know, just the piece of the black right there. Oh, here's the other Alonso rookie we were searching for, the Home Run Derby Pete Alonso rookie card. And the Austin Riley rookie card. Yeah, this is a huge set of rookies. As Topps Update is known for, you know, the great rookie classes. Rookie combos. Clayton Kershaw. And here's another rainbow foil. Lance Lynn. And Oscar Mercado rookie. He also has some short prints as well, but this is just the base version. Two more packs. Walker Buehler All-Star card. There's a nice 84 with Ted Williams. All right, let's see. Last pack. See what we can get. Griffin Canning, rookie. Greatest Moments, Springer. And that is it. So that's 2019 Topps. We got a nice, good stack of rookie cards and rookie debuts here. You know, some of the big ones. We got that. I got all the Pete Alonsos, which were nice. Got the Chris Paddack rookie, the Bowers rookie. Got a nice Means rainbow foil. Got most of the Vladdies. Got the base Vladdy, which was nice. Let's see. There's the Biggio and the Vlad Guerrero and the Paddack, so that was all very nice. Then probably one of the better cards too that we got was in the silver pack. Got that nice Tatis rookie. It's 2019 Topps Update. That was my first box of it. Let me know what you guys think. If you're a fan of 2019 Topps Update, and appreciate you guys watching, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.